Hi, this is In the Wild with Chris. In this video I will show you how to make a shelter using a plastic tarp and rope. Why do you need a shelter? Well, a shelter keeps you out of the elements and protects you from rain and wind, or the sun if you're in a warm climate. The tarp I use is a ordinary plastic tarp I buy in a hardware store. It costs about 50 crowns or about $6 or $7. The rope I use is a paracord, just a high tensile rope. It takes about 250 pounds of weight, but you can use any string you want. It's light, it's cheap, and it's very available. And it comes in a multitude of colors. I just chose camouflage this time. First, to find a suitable spot. Avoid slopes where rainwater might flow into your camp. Beware of dead branches that might fall down and ruin your day. Make sure the ground is flat, no large rocks or tree roots that will make you comfortable. Clear away branches that is lying there. Start off by making a loop at the end of your string. Take it around the tree. And bring the string through. And you just tighten it, and this will hold it. At the other tree, loop the string around the tree, go over the string, and here you can tighten it very much. Then you just make a loop. Right here, and you can put a safety toggle in this. That way this knot will not loose up, and you get a fairly tight string. When you want to release it, you just pull up the toggle, pull up the string, and there you go. You want to make a small awning to keep rain from easily blowing into your shelter. Take a piece of string and tie it to the ground using small stakes or anything on the ground that will hold it in place. Tie them at an angle out from your shelter to ensure that it stays spread out and doesn't bunch up. Pull back the back of the tarp and fasten it to the ground using string and stakes or anything on the ground that will hold it in place. You can even use a fir cone. There, you fasten your tarp. That was an easy way to build a shelter using rope and a cheap, light plastic tarp. When you get the hang of it, it takes less than 5 minutes to get it up. So if you have any useful tips or questions, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, found it educating and useful, or just amusing with some guy playing with plastic out in the forest, well, give it a like, please subscribe and share it. Till next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.